2 ways to add film halation in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on OpenFX, and search for halation. Drag halation effect into your video in timeline. With your video selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Effect tab. Change the threshold to your liking. Check the View Isolated Regions to see which parts are affected by the effect. Play around with strength, gamma, saturation, and spread to get your desired result. Now let's disable this effect and find a way to apply halation only to some part of the video. Move the playhead above your video and go to the Color page. Right-click on the node and select Add Node, Add Serial. In the Effects panel, search for halation, drag it into your second node, and adjust its settings. Now to apply the effect only to some parts of the video, from Window tab, click on one of the masks based on your needs. Here I add an ellipse mask and adjust its size, position, and soft edge. Now for my second clip, let's use another way to add halation to the video. Open up Color page again. Right-click on your node and set Composite Mode to Screen. From Primary's Color Wheels tab, drag Gain handle to a color you want. Then from Blur tab, click on the first option and increase radius to around 0.8 to add some blur to it. At last, from Curves tab, click to add a handle and bring it down a little until you get your desired look.